Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add members to WhatsApp group without being the admin. So let's say you want to add certain members to a WhatsApp group that you are a part of, but you are not the admin. So how you can do these steps is that open WhatsApp first and then go to the group chat you wish to, then tap on the group's name on top. Okay, here we go. Now over here scroll down below. Now over here, you'll be able to see the option Add Members. So if you tap on it, you'll come across various contacts on your WhatsApp. Now tap on the name of the contact you wish to add to that specific WhatsApp group. And then if you tap on the option of Add at the top right corner of your screen, you will be able to add that member to a WhatsApp group without being the admin. It is so because due to WhatsApp's latest updates, these new features are available to you. So you can simply add members to a group without even being an admin. So that's it for today's video. And at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.